This Century 21 Nachman Realty property video is presented by Christina Ray. This gorgeous, meticulously kept 3-level condo is conveniently located in the heart of Coliseum Central District. First floor features an open floor plan with shaker-style cabinets and granite countertops, stainless steel appliances, half bath, and access to the garage. The second floor is all about the primary bedroom suite west/walk-in closet, double vanity, soaking tub, separate walk-in shower, and private balcony. 2 spacious bedroom, full bath, and laundry facility are all located on the 3rd floor. Amenities include cable, pool, clubhouse, exercise room, ground maintenance, playground, trash pickup, dog park, and walking trail. Absolutely move-in ready. For more information, review the details below or contact Christina Ray at 757-638-5700.